In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add search bar in Wix. By the end, you'll have a working search box on your site and know exactly how to control what shows up in the results, so visitors can quickly find what they need. Start in the Wix editor. On the left-hand side, open the Apps section by clicking the Add Apps icon. This is your gateway to the Wix App Market, where you can bring extra features into your site. In the App Market's search field, type Site Search. This tells Wix you're looking for the built-in tool that indexes your site and displays results in a clean, user-friendly way. From the results, choose Wix Site Search. This is the official search app designed to work seamlessly with pages, store products, services, and more. If it isn't already part of your site, click Add to Site. Wix will place the search element for you and connect it to the results experience behind the scenes, so you don't have to wire anything up manually. Now that the search element is on your page, select it and open Settings. This is where you control behavior and visibility. If a compact menu appears and you don't see all the options yet, click Settings again to open the full panel. It's the same area, just expanded, and it gives you access to the key controls you'll want to fine-tune. In the Settings panel, look for the section labeled Show on Search. Think of this as your content filter. It determines which parts of your site are included in search results. Here, you can choose exactly what the search will display, such as products from your store or services from your bookings. Select only the content types that make sense for your visitors. For example, if your goal is to help shoppers, prioritize products. If you run a studio or a salon, highlight services so clients can find the right offering fast. As you make your selections, remember that focused results create a better experience. When search is limited to the most relevant content, people reach their destination with fewer clicks. Clear titles and descriptions on your pages, products, and services also help the search tool return the most accurate matches. That's it. You opened the App Market, found Wix Site Search, added it to your site, and configured what appears in the results using the Show on Search controls. With those choices in place, your new search bar is ready to guide visitors to the content that matters most. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the smoother navigation on your Wix site.